Matt Melzak is back with us, which means for the first time this season, Powerline returns.
The Powerline with Matt Melzak is brought to you by Midas.
Well, I'll tell you what, not only new graphic, sponsor, Midas, boy, Powerline is really exploding right now. And we get to the Powerline, and we got some BG love in there as well. Check out this group right here. Got to start with Jake Jignack from Whitmer there. He's a young man who played very well for the Panthers last year. Over the weekend, though, they scored 11 goals. He was in on 8 of the 11. 4 goals, 4 assists in one game. Nice performance. Got to get you on the power line right there. Connor Rogowski down at Bowling Green. What a job he has done. Tough spot he went into last year, partway through the year when they lost Jamie Ruffner. He takes over a Bowling Green team with some promise, and then has that nice run when they get into the district tournament all the way to the district semis. Pushed St. Francis in that game. Gave him quite a battle there. Connor Rogowski gets on the power line for this week. And then I love the goaltenders. Matt knows this for years and years and years. Always, it's my favorite position when you're out there because they can do some damage and they can win you a lot of games. Jackson Smalley can do that for St. Francis. Now, they haven't needed him to do that, but if you think back to that championship game back in the spring, he had his best game probably of the year, maybe of his career, going against St. Ed's. He was phenomenal in that game. He's a guy that can get it done. He's arguably the best goaltender in the entire Northwest Hockey Conference, if not even in the state. It's a reason why you get on the power line. Jackson Smalley, keep playing well for the St. Francis Knights, because you never know. There's always going to be a game somewhere down the line where your goaltender has to come through for you. Jackson Smalley can certainly do that. Glad to be back with a power line, Joel. That's how we get it done. You put 3 on there, perfect. Great line.